Hey guys, Tariq here. Today I'm feeling a little unmotivated and uninspired to work on YouTube, and oddly enough, I decided to make a video out of it. I admit the reason I'm creating this video is from this newfound excitement of creating self-help style content instead of screen recorded in Lightroom. It's refreshing, and honestly, it's low-hanging fruit. The scripting is just explaining exactly how I currently feel. I can use stock footage for most, if not the entire video, and I can still get a solid 1-minute lesson that falls under the creative umbrella completed. That said, I suppose the lesson here is when you're feeling a creative block, but still feel the urge to overcome procrastination, try and complete the easiest task first, as that will get the ball rolling and you'll be motivated to keep going. In my case, it was simply jotting down my thoughts in the Notes app in a script format. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, for other creatives to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. If you like this self-help style content, please let me know in the comments because I'd love for this channel to become an all-in-one resource for anything that creatives may need, even if it's how to overcome procrastination.